The Lifelong Learner's Playbook. Achieve any goal, one study session at a time. What if I told you that mastering quantum physics, speaking fluent Italian, or building your dream app could all start with just 25 minutes of focused learning today? Here's the thrilling truth. Every expert was once a beginner, and the only difference between where you are now and where you want to be is a series of intentional study sessions. How to transform your learning game forever. Step 1. Choose your adventure. Pick one skill that makes your eyes light up when you think about mastering it. Whether it's coding, cooking, or calculus, your brain craves specificity. Write it down and feel that excitement bubble up. That's your learning superpower activating. Step 2. Break it into bite-sized victories. Here's where the magic happens. Slice your massive goal into tiny, digestible chunks. Want to learn Spanish? Start with 10 new words this week. Dreaming of becoming a data scientist? Begin with understanding what a variable is. These mini wins create an unstoppable momentum that'll have you hungry for more. Step 3. Create your learning ritual. Design a study session that feels like play, not work. Find your perfect time, morning warrior or night owl. Grab your favorite beverage and create a space that screams, "Learning happens here." Make it so appealing that skipping feels impossible. Step 4. Embrace the 80-20th rule. Focus on the 20% of concepts that'll give you 80% of the results. Every field has its golden fundamentals. Identify them and dive deep. This isn't about cutting corners, it's about being strategically brilliant. Step 5. Track your transformation. Document your journey. Whether it's a simple checklist or a colorful progress chart, watching yourself improve is incredibly addictive. Celebrate every milestone. You're literally rewiring your brain with each session. Step 6. Find your learning tribe. Connect with fellow learners online or offline. Share your struggles, celebrate breakthroughs, and remember, you're not alone in this adventure. The best learners are also the best teachers. Remember, every study session is a step toward becoming the person you've always wanted to be. Your future self is counting on today's you to show up, be curious, and embrace the beautiful challenge of growth. Ready to start your learning revolution? Your next breakthrough is just one study session away.